Today we're going to style this beautiful romantic French bubble braids. Welcome to Hairstyle Camp. You will need a brush, hairspray, sectioning clip, hair elastics, and satin ribbons for the final laced finish. Start on dry and clean, detangled hair. First, create a center part from the forehead all the way to the nape. Keep the head as straight as possible while you part. Now clip one side completely out of the way, so you can focus on creating the first side cleanly. On the open side, take a small section at the front top of the head, close to the part. Secure it with an elastic. Take a second small section directly below that one and secure it with another elastic. Continue downward in that same pattern, creating a vertical row of ponytails until you reach the nape. Don't tighten too much. If anything hurts, loosen it right away. By the time you finish this step, that side should look like a ladder of small ponytails stacked from top to bottom. The goal here is consistency. Try to keep the sections similar in size and spacing. If the hair has a lot of layers, make the sections a little smaller and a little closer together. Now we start linking the ponytails together. Take the first ponytail and the second one and join them with a new elastic. Place that new elastic right over, or just low enough to hide the second band underneath. That little detail makes the finished style look much cleaner. And here is the most important move in the whole tutorial. As soon as those two ponytails are connected, gently pull at the hair between the elastics to open it into a soft, rounded bubble. Now take that newly combined section and connect it to the next ponytail down. Secure it with another elastic. Then again, puff that section into a bubble like we did for the first one. Keep repeating that same rhythm all the way down the head. Connect, then puff. Connect, then puff. That repeated tie and puff rhythm is what creates the faux braided effect. Once you reach the nape and everything on that side has become one long tail, keep going down the loose length. Add another elastic about 1 to 2 inches lower. Then gently open that section into a bubble. Add the next elastic, then puff the next section. Continue all the way toward the ends. Keep the spacing even so the braid looks stunning. A good trick here is to let the upper bubbles stay slightly fuller, then let the lower bubbles taper a little toward the ends. Once one side is complete, repeat the exact same process on the other side. When both sides are done, compare them. If one side looks flatter, gently widen those sections until both sides feel balanced. Now for the detail that makes this hairstyle feel extra special. Take your first satin ribbon and find the midpoint. Slip that center point behind the very top elastic so the two ribbon ends hang evenly. Then begin crossing the ribbon ends downward over the bubbles and guiding them under the next elastic, almost like lacing a corset or threading a ballet slipper. Keep following that same over and under pattern as you travel down the braid. The ribbon should decorate the structure, not flatten it. When you reach the bottom, tie a soft bow at the last elastic. Then repeat the same ribbon lacing on the other side. And here's the finished result. The beautiful French bubble braided look without actually braiding hair. That's all for now. Take care and don't forget to subscribe Hairstyle Camp.